As many of you are aware, Senate Bill 54 has passed. The Senate bill accompanies the repeal of the P.I.P statute. Now, a lot of people have called me and are very nervous about what that means for their practices. Essentially, the Senate bill would repeal or wipe away the no-fault statute. It would replace it with mandatory BI coverage in the amount of $25,000 for an individual or $50,000 for more than one individual. Essentially, we become a mandatory BI state. It also includes some bad faith reform, which the insurance companies are not very happy about. Now, it's incredibly important to realize that only the Senate bill has passed. There's still a bill pending in the House of Representatives that is different than the Senate bill, although on the same path. In order for a bill to go up to Governor DeSantis to sign, there must be identical bills. In order for that to happen, a bill will have to pass the House and then go into committee between both the House and the Senate to hammer out the terms that would be presented to Governor DeSantis. Now, what we've seen over the past weeks in committee hearings and testimony that have been provided has included insurance companies' own representatives stating that rates would raise if mandatory BI was put in place. Currently, the House bill is still in committee. If the bill moves forward through all of the requisite committees, it will go to the full House floor and a vote will be taken. If the full House votes on the bill that will be similar to, but not identical to, the Senate bill that has passed, committees between the House and the Senate will have to meet to make an identical bill to present to Governor DeSantis. Now, there's a very good chance that Governor DeSantis, even if he is presented with a bill that is identical, repealing P.I.P., may veto that bill. The main reason being that the insurance companies have said time and time again in testimony in front of various committees at the House and Senate level is that this bill that makes mandatory BI the law of the land will raise rates for Florida citizens. It's unlikely that a sitting governor will want to raise rates on the citizens of Florida during this pandemic and harsh economic time. Now, depending on who you want to believe, there are many people that may be behind and supporting this mandatory BI bill. Please believe that the Fischetti Law Group does not support this bill in any manner of speaking. Although we do participate in bodily injury and have great working relationships with all of our doctors, we feel at this time that the P.I.P bill as it stands is still the best avenue for the citizens of Florida to get prompt and speedy treatment after being injured in an automobile accident. So, there's a lot left to go and there's a lot of work left to do. Oftentimes people will ask me, what can they do to help? Well, the best thing that you can do is talk to your patients. Try to get your patients to call their representatives. Pick up the phone, call your representative. Call the members of the chiropractic board that have a voice in Tallahassee. If called upon to raise funds in order to oppose this bill, please think long and hard about doing it. Because if this bill does pass, it will change the landscape of automobile insurance as we know it in the state of Florida. Please keep tuned to our social media as well as any text messages or email blasts that we'll send out in the future, alerting you minute by minute of any changes of things going on in Tallahassee.